Hi friends, welcome. This is Babu from TPGAT Vellore. In this video, we are going to learn about convolution theorem in Laplace transforms. Normally, we can expect 8 marks in this section. First of all, what is convolution theorem? Inverse Laplace transform of product of two functions f of s and g of s equal to convolution of inverse Laplace transform of f of s with inverse Laplace transform of g of s. This star is called convolution operator. Note that left side is a multiplication, right side is a convolution operator. Don't interchange it. If you interchange it, you may lose marks. That is L inverse of f of s into g of s equal to L inverse of f of s star, that is convolution operator, L inverse of g of s. When we find a inverse Laplace transform for any function, the answer should be in terms of t. Therefore, we take this as f of t star, this is g of t. Next, we are going to remove this star by applying formula. What is the formula? Integration 0 to t. Note that the lower limit is 0 always, upper limit is t. This t. This t. In f of t, we replace t by u, f of u. In g of t, we replace t by t minus u, g of t minus u. We integrate with respect to u. The limits for u are 0 to t. In this section, we are going to use only 5 formulas. Only 5 formulas. These formulas are inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s equal to 1. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus a equal to e power minus at. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s minus a equal to e power plus at. If it is plus a, then minus a. If it is minus a, then plus a. Next one, L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square equal to sin at by a. L inverse of s by s square plus a square equal to cos at. Note that both the denominators are s square plus a square, s square plus a square. If the numerator is s, then the formula is cos at. If the numerator is 1, then the formula is sin at by a. So only 5 formulas are you are going to use in this section. Only 5 formulas are we are going to use in this section. The first formula is inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s equal to 1. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus a equal to e power minus at. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s minus a equal to e power plus at. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square equal to sin at by a. Inverse Laplace transform of s by s square plus a square equal to cosine at. We also use the following basic formulas which are studied in plus 1 or plus 2. First one, sin a cos b equal to 1 by 2 sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Cos a sin b equal to 1 by 2 sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Cos a cos b equal to 1 by 2 cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Sin a sin b equal to 1 by 2 cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Sin of minus x equal to minus sin x, and cosine of minus x equal to plus cos x. So sin cos, then the formula in terms of sin only. Sin cos, then the formula in terms of sin only. Both terms are same, cosine, cosine, sine, sine, then the formula in terms of cosine only. So if we have different terms, sine, cos, then the formula in terms of sine only. If you have same terms, that is cosine A, cosine B, sine A, sine B, then the formula in terms of cosine only. So sine is an odd function, therefore sine of minus x equal to minus sine x. Cosine is an even function, therefore cosine of minus x equal to cosine x. Problems. Problem number 1. This is very important problem. So find L inverse of 1 by s minus c into s minus b by convolution theorem. What are the steps to solve these type of problems? Recall that to apply convolution theorem, we need two functions, f of s into g of x. Next, we apply L inverse of f of s star L inverse of g of x. Next, we apply the formula f of t star g of t. Next, we are going to remove this star by applying formula. What is the formula? Integration 0 to t. In first function, we replace t by u. In the second function, we replace t by t minus u. We integrate with respect to u. The limits are 0 to t. So, to apply convolution theorem, we need two functions. Therefore, this can be written as 1 by s minus a, 1 by s minus b. L inverse of 1 by s minus a, 1 by s minus b. Next, apply the convolution theorem. What is convolution theorem? This can be written as L inverse of 1 by s minus a star, that is convolution operator, L inverse of 1 by s minus b. Next, apply the formulas, those 5 formulas. What are the 5 formulas? These 5 formulas. Okay. So, what is the formula for this problem? This one. L inverse of 1 by s minus a equal to e power at. So, we have to apply this formula. So, L inverse of 1 by s minus a equal to e power at star. Here, instead of a, b only. Therefore, the formula is e power, instead of a, we replace a by b, e power bt. Okay. Next, we are going to remove this star by applying formula. What is the formula? Integration. What is the lower limit? 0. What is the upper limit? This t. So, integration 0 to t. In first function, we replace t by what? U. In next function, we replace t by what? T minus u. So, integration 0 to t. This is the first function. In first function, we replace t by what? U. E power au. In the next function, we replace t by t minus u. E power b into t minus u. We integrate with respect to what? U. Okay. Now, next we split this term, e power bt into e power minus bu. So, e power au, e power bt into e power minus bu. Okay. So, now we are integrating with respect to u. With respect to u, this is constant because there is no u term. Therefore, we take this outside. So, it is equal to e power bt integration 0 to t e power au e power minus bu du. Here base terms are same, therefore we add exponents. In exponents, u is constant, u is common, so take u is common. So this can be written as e power a minus b into u du. Can we check? E power au e power minus bu. So it is right. Okay. So now integrate. What is the integration for x e power x? It is e power x. Therefore, e power bt integration of this term is e power a minus b into u. With respect to u, This is constant, so a minus b divided by a minus b. The limits are u equal to 0 to u equal to t, okay, which is equal to e power bt upper limit minus lower limit. In upper limit, we have to substitute u equal to t. In lower limit, we have to substitute u equal to 0. When u equal to t, this is t. When u equal to 0, this is 0. Anything power 0, 1. Note that a minus b is common, so therefore we take outside. So e power bt divided by a minus b. When u equal to t, this is t. When u equal to 0, 0 into anything 0. So this is e power 0. What is e power 0? 1. E power 0, 1. Which is equal to e power bt divided by e minus b, e power a minus b into t minus 1. Next, multiply this term with this one and this term with this one, which is equal to 1 by a minus b, e power bt into e power a minus b into t minus 1 into e power bt equal to e power bt, which is equal to, note that minus bt plus bt cancel, therefore e power at minus e power minus bt. The answer is L inverse of 1 by s minus a into s minus b equal to 1 by a minus b into e power at minus e power bt. Problems. Problem number 2. This is also very important problem. Find inverse Laplace transform of s by s square plus a square the whole square by convolution theorem. Solution. To apply convolution theorem, we need two functions. Therefore, separate this into two functions as s by s square plus a square into 1, because s can be written as s into 1. So s divided by s square plus a square into 1 divided by a square plus a square. So to apply convolution theorem, we need two functions. So this s can be written as s into 1. So we separate this as s by s square plus a square into 1 divided by s square plus a square. Now apply convolution theorem. What is convolution theorem? So this can be written as L inverse of s by s square plus a square star. This star is called convolution operator. L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square. Next, apply the suitable formula. What is the formula for this one? Note that both the denominators are s square plus a square, s square plus a square. Therefore, the formula is either cosine or sine. Here it is yes. Therefore, the formula for this term is cos at. Here, the numerator term is 1. Therefore, the formula is sine at by a. Let's recall. So L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square equal to sin at by a. L inverse of s by s square plus a square equal to cos at. Okay. Here both the denominators are s square plus a square, s square plus a square. If the numerator is s, then the formula is cosine at. If the numerator is 1, then the formula is sin at by a. So this is cos at star. This is sin at by a. Next, we have to remove this star by applying formula, convolution formula. What is the convolution formula? F of t star g of t equal to integration 0 to t. In first function, we replace t by u. In next function, we replace t by t minus. So the limit is integration 0 to t. This is the first function. In first function, we replace t by u. So this is cos u into, in second function, we replace t by t minus u. This is sin a into t minus u divided by a. we integrate with respect to u. The limits are 0 to t. So this is of the form cos a into sin b. 1 by a is constant, 1 by a is constant, so we take outside. So this is of the form cos a into sin b. What is the cos a sin b formula? Cos a sin b equal to 1 by 2 sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. So take this as capital A and take the entire term this as capital. Okay, so 1 by a is constant, so we take outside. So 2 is also constant, so we take outside. Therefore, in outside there is the term 1 by 2a. This is 1 by 2a. So sin of a plus b. So sin of a. What is a? Au b. What is b? A into t minus 6. So sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b, we integrate with respect to u. Okay. Next, multiply this term with this one. So at, au, this is minus at minus into minus plus, so plus au. Okay. So this is plus at, sorry, this is minus au, this is plus au, gets cancelled. Here au, here also au. How many times? 2 times. Therefore, 2 times au minus at. So which is equal to 1 by 2a integration 0 to at is sin at minus sin of 2au minus at. We integrate with respect to u. Okay, so note that we are integrating with respect to what? U. So with respect to u, this is what? Constant. This is constant because there is no u term, because we are integrating with respect to u only. So there is no u term. This is constant. Okay, so this is constant. So constant of integration is c into u. This is c equal to sin at. Therefore, sin at into u. Sin at into u. Here u is there. So integration of sin is cos. Minus into minus plus. So plus cos of 2au minus at. So coefficient of u is 2a. So denominator is 2a. Okay. So 1 by 2a upper limit minus lower limit. In upper limit we have to substitute u equal to t. In lower limit we have to substitute u equal to 0. So when u equal to t, this is t. This is t. Okay. This is t. This is t. When u equal to 0, this is 0. 0 into anything but 0. When u equal to 0, this is 0. So this term is 0. 0 minus 80. Okay. So this is t sin 80. What is 280 minus 80, which is equal to 80? This is cos 80 divided by 2a. Okay, minus into plus minus. Cos of minus x. What is cos of minus x? Plus cos x. So cos of minus 80 equal to plus cos 80. So this is minus cos 80 divided by 2a. So t sin 80 plus cos 80 by 2a minus cos 80 divided by 2a. So cos 80 by 2a, cos 80 by 2a gets cancelled. Therefore, the answer is t sin 80 by 2a. L inverse of s by s square plus a square, the whole square equal to t sin 80 by 2a. Problem number 3. Find L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square into s square plus b square by convolution theorem. To apply convolution theorem, we need two functions. Therefore, this can be written as 1 divided by s square plus a square into 1 divided by s square plus b square as. L inverse of 1 by a square plus a square into 1 by a square plus b square. Next, apply convolution theorem. What is convolution theorem? L inverse of 1 by a square plus a square star L inverse of 1 by a square plus b square. Okay. So what is the formula for this one? 1 by a square plus a square. Let us recall. L inverse of 1 by a square plus a square equal to what? Sin at by a. So the formula for this term is sin at by a. Sin at by a. So note that both are similar term. Here a, here b. So the formula is star sin bt by b. Instead of a, we replace b only. So sin bt by b. Next, we are going to remove this star by applying formula. What is the convolution formula? The limit is integration 0 to t. In first term, we replace t by u. In next term, we replace t by t minus u. Integration 0 to t, f of u, g of t minus u, du. So, integration 0 to t. In first term, we replace t by u. So, sin a u by a. In next term, we replace t by t minus u. That is sin b of t minus u into du. So, here a comma b are constant. So, we take outside. So, this is of the form sin a into sin b. What is the formula for sin a sin b? 1 by 2 cosine of a minus b minus cosine of a plus b. Okay. So this is a, that is a equal to au. This is b, that is b into t minus u. So 1 by 2 is constant. Here ab is constant. So totally 1 by 2 ab is constant. So 1 by 2 ab integration 0 to t. What is the formula? Cos of a minus b. So cos of this is a and this is b. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Okay. This is equal to 1 by 2 ab integration 0 to t cos of this one. Next. This is minus bt, minus into minus plus bu. This is plus bt, plus into minus minus bu. Okay. Here, this is au and this is bu. The common term is u. Therefore, this can be written as a plus b into u. Au bu minus bt. Here also, this is au. This is minus bu. The common term is u. So this can be written as a minus b into u plus bt. We integrate with respect to u. So 1 by 2 ab. Okay. So what is the integration for cos? Because here u is present, u is there. Here also u is there. So integration for cos is sin. Integration for cos is sin. So the integration for the entire term is sin of the whole bracketed term divided by a plus b. And the integration for this term is sin of whole bracketed term divided by a minus b. This is equal to 1 by 2 ab sin of a plus b u minus bt divided by a plus b minus integration for cos is sin of a minus b into u plus bt divided by a minus b, which is equal to 1 by 2 ab upper limit minus lower limit. In upper limit, we are going to substitute u equal to t. In lower limit, we are going to substitute u equal to 0. This is equal to 1 by 2 ab. In upper limit, u equal to t. When u equal to t, this is t. This term is t. And this term is t. So sin of a plus b into t minus bt divided by a plus b minus sin of a minus b into t plus bt divided by a minus b. This is upper limit minus lower limit. In lower limit, we have to substitute u equal to 0. When u equal to 0, this is 0. 0 into anything, 0. So sine of 0 minus bt. For minus, when u equal to 0, this is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So sine of 0 plus bt. Okay. Note that here plus bt, this is plus bt, minus bt is cancelled. Okay. Here minus bt plus bt is cancelled. Okay. Next, sine of minus x. What is sine of minus x? Minus sine x. Sine of minus x equal to minus sine x. Therefore, sine of minus bt equal to minus sine bt. Minus sine bt. So, it's equal to 1 by 2ab sine a t divided by a plus b minus sine of a t divided by a minus b minus, so sine of minus x equal to minus sine x divided by a plus b minus sine of bt divided by a minus b. Okay. Here sine at is common. So we take outside sine of at into 1 divided by a plus b minus 1 divided by a minus b. Here also sine bt is common. So we take outside minus into minus plus 1 divided by a plus b minus into minus plus 1 divided by a minus b. Okay. So we take LCM a plus b into a minus b. So this is a minus b minus of a plus b. So a minus b plus a plus b. So we take LCM a plus b into a minus b. So a minus b, a plus b. This is a minus b, just a cross multiplication, a plus b. Okay. What is a plus b into a minus b? Which is equal to a square minus b square. This is a square minus b square. In numerator, here plus a, this is minus a gets cancelled. So here also a plus b into a minus b, what is the formula? A square minus b square. In the numerator, a minus b, a plus b cancelled. Okay. How many terms b minus into plus minus b? There are two times minus b. Here 2 times plus. So denominator is a square minus b square. Numerator is minus 2b. Denominator is a square minus b square. Numerator is 2a. So which can be written as sine at minus 2b divided by a square minus b square, sine bt 2a divided by a square minus b square. So in these two terms, what is common? This 2 is common. This 2 is common. And next, a square minus b square is common. A square minus b square is common. So to take outside, so 1 by 2ab, 2 divided by a square minus b square. Then the remaining term is minus b sine at plus a sine bt. So thus the answer is L inverse of 1 by a square plus a square into a square plus b square equal to 1. So this 2 cancel. 1 divided by ab into a square minus b square, which is equal to a sine bt minus b sine at. Try yourself. Fourth problem. Find L inverse of 1 by s plus a into s plus b by convolution theorem, which is similar to problem number 1. Try yourself. The answer is e power minus at minus e power minus bt divided by b minus a. Fifth one. Find the inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square divided by whole square by convolution theorem. So this is similar to problem number 2. Next problem. Find inverse Laplace transform of s square by s square plus a square into s square plus b square by convolution theorem. So we can write this as s divided by s square plus a square and s divided by a square plus b square. This is similar to problem number 3. So definitely we can expect any one of these 6 problems in Anna University examinations. All the best. Thank you.